Most people think oatmeal is already the perfect breakfast, warm, wholesome, and comforting. And in many ways it is, but what most people over 60 don't realize is that oatmeal alone isn't enough to truly protect your arteries from years of silent buildup. You see, after the age of 60, your arteries begin to lose their flexibility, a natural part of aging. The smooth, elastic walls that once allowed blood to flow effortlessly begin to stiffen and narrow, making it harder for oxygen and nutrients to reach your heart, brain, and muscles. And while oatmeal provides an excellent foundation, rich in soluble fiber called beta glucan that helps trap cholesterol, it's missing a few powerful companions that can turn your simple bowl of oats into a circulation boosting, artery clearing breakfast ritual that strengthens your heart from the inside out. So today, let's uncover four powerful natural additions that transform ordinary oatmeal into a daily heart protective meal. Each one supports your arteries in a different way, from reducing cholesterol buildup to calming inflammation and restoring healthy blood flow. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and tell us in the comments where you're watching from. We love hearing from you. Let's start with the first one, and this one alone can make a visible difference in your energy and warmth in just a few weeks. The first ingredient on our list is ground flax seeds, the tiny sweepers for your arteries. Flax seeds may be tiny, but their power inside the body is enormous. They are one of the richest sources of soluble fiber, a type of fiber that acts like a sponge in your digestive tract, trapping cholesterol molecules and escorting them out of the body before they can stick to the inner walls of your arteries. This gentle sweeping action can gradually reduce the buildup of plaque, the fatty deposits that narrow and harden your blood vessels over time, but the benefits go much deeper than that. Flax seeds also contain lignans, a unique plant compound with antioxidant and mild estrogen-like effects that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two hidden culprits behind arterial aging. In fact, flax seeds are one of the richest sources of lignans in the human diet, providing up to 800 times more than most other foods. When researchers followed adults who consumed ground flax seeds daily, they observed a drop of up to 10% in LDL cholesterol levels within just 1 month. But even more fascinating, participants also showed improved arterial elasticity, meaning their arteries were not just cleaner but also more flexible. Another star nutrient in flax seeds is alpha linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that nourishes the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of your arteries. Think of the endothelium as the smooth Teflon coating inside your blood vessels. When it's damaged or inflamed, cholesterol and calcium can stick, leading to plaque formation. ALA helps keep that surface smooth and protected. Over time, this translates to real visible benefits: better circulation, warmer extremities, and more comfortable movement. Many seniors who begin adding flaxseed to their breakfast report clearer energy through the morning, easier breathing during walks, and even improved skin tone from enhanced blood flow. But to get all these benefits, grind your flax seeds. Whole seeds often pass through the body undigested, meaning your system never absorbs their nutrients. You can buy pre-ground flax or use a small coffee grinder at home. Store it in the refrigerator to protect its oils. Add 1 tablespoon to your oatmeal each morning. As it thickens your oats slightly, you'll taste a mild nuttiness, nature's way of saying your arteries are being quietly swept clean with every spoonful. The second ingredient on our list is Ceylon cinnamon, nature's shield against sugar damage. Cinnamon does far more than make your oatmeal smell and taste inviting. It serves as a silent guardian against one of the most overlooked threats to aging arteries: sugar damage. Even if you don't eat much sugar, your body's ability to handle carbohydrates changes after 60. The same bowl of oatmeal that once kept your energy steady can now cause sharper spikes in blood sugar, especially when sweetened with honey, fruit syrups, or sugar. These repeated surges cause a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to proteins in the arterial walls, making them stiff and brittle. Over time, glycation acts like invisible rust in your arteries, reducing flexibility, increasing blood pressure, and accelerating aging from within. Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, helps slow this process. It naturally slows the rate at which carbohydrates break down into sugar, allowing glucose to enter your bloodstream more gradually. This prevents the roller coaster of sharp sugar spikes and crashes that can harm your arteries. In one clinical trial, participants who consumed cinnamon daily for 12 weeks experienced up to a 24% improvement in insulin sensitivity, meaning their bodies handled sugar more efficiently and their blood vessels stayed calmer. But cinnamon's benefits don't stop there. It's also packed with polyphenols, plant antioxidants that protect the endothelium from inflammation and oxidative stress. These polyphenols act like firefighters, calming the tiny sparks of inflammation that silently damage artery walls over time. For older adults, this translates to smoother blood flow, steadier energy, and sharper mental clarity. Some even notice that morning fogginess fades away and post-meal fatigue lessens after adding cinnamon regularly. When you shop, look specifically for Ceylon cinnamon, not cassia, the more common variety. Cassia cinnamon contains higher levels of coumarin, a natural compound that can burden the liver if taken in large amounts. Ceylon has a lighter, sweeter flavor and is much safer for daily use. Sprinkle about half a teaspoon over your cooked oatmeal. Add it after cooking, not before, to preserve its natural oils. The aroma will fill your kitchen, and the flavor, so warm, sweet, and slightly woody, will make your breakfast feel indulgent while quietly guarding your arteries from within. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and tell us in the comments where you're watching from. We love hearing from you. The third ingredient on our list is blueberries, the gentle repairers of aging arteries. If flax seeds clean your arteries and cinnamon shields them, blueberries help repair them. Their deep, rich color isn't just beautiful, it's the mark of anthocyanins, a special class of antioxidants that have a remarkable effect on blood vessel health. As we age, oxidative stress caused by unstable molecules called free radicals gradually wears down the arteries. These free radicals damage the endothelium, stiffen blood vessels, and set the stage for plaque buildup. Blueberries act as a natural defense force, neutralizing these free radicals before they can cause harm. In one landmark study published in the Journal of Nutrition, adults who ate a cup of blueberries every day for 6 months showed significant improvements in arterial stiffness and endothelial function, meaning their arteries were more elastic and their circulation more efficient. Another found that blueberries increased nitric oxide levels in the blood, helping arteries relax and expand naturally, lowering blood pressure and improving oxygen flow to vital organs. Blueberries also contain compounds that prevent oxidation of LDL cholesterol, the very process that transforms harmless cholesterol into artery-clogging plaque. By stopping this chain reaction early, blueberries keep your blood vessels youthful and resilient. And the benefits go beyond the heart. Improved circulation to the brain means sharper memory and focus, while better oxygen delivery to muscles means less fatigue and more comfortable movement. Many older adults describe feeling lighter, more alert, and more energized after making blueberries a daily habit. When preparing your oatmeal, add half a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. Frozen berries are flash frozen at peak ripeness, locking in nutrients just as well as fresh ones. Avoid canned or syrupy varieties, as added sugars can undo the benefits. As the blueberries warm in your oats, they burst open, releasing a beautiful violet color that seeps into every spoonful, a visible sign that your arteries are receiving the antioxidants they need to stay smooth and open. If you like variety, mix in raspberries or blackberries for added anthocyanin diversity. Together, these berries turn your oatmeal into a heart-healing, brain-boosting breakfast that tastes as good as it is powerful. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and tell us in the comments where you're watching from. We love hearing from you. The fourth ingredient on our list is walnuts, the daily tune-up for your blood vessels. Among all nuts, walnuts are in a league of their own when it comes to heart protection. They offer an unmatched blend of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and L-arginine, an amino acid that keeps your arteries relaxed and open. As we age, our natural production of nitric oxide, the molecule that signals blood vessels to widen, declines. This is one reason older adults often notice cold hands, slower wound healing, and higher blood pressure. Walnuts help restore this vital process. When you eat walnuts, your body converts L-arginine into nitric oxide, improving blood vessel dilation and overall circulation. This allows oxygen and nutrients to reach every part of your body more efficiently, from your brain to your legs. In a study published in Circulation, adults who ate a handful of walnuts daily for 6 weeks showed better endothelial function and lower triglycerides, two key markers of arterial health. Researchers also found that walnut eaters had reduced oxidative stress, meaning less cellular damage inside the arteries. Walnuts are also packed with vitamin E, magnesium, and polyphenols, nutrients that protect cholesterol from oxidation and reduce inflammation within artery walls. Together, they act like a daily tune-up for your cardiovascular system, keeping your vessels clear, flexible, and resilient. For the best results, enjoy 4 or 5 walnut halves each morning, chop them lightly, and sprinkle them on top of your oatmeal after cooking. This preserves their crunch and healthy oils. Avoid salted, roasted, or caramelized walnuts, as excess sodium or sugar can counteract their benefits. Over time, you might notice subtle but meaningful changes. Your thinking feels clearer, your skin looks more vibrant, and your energy lasts longer through the morning. These are all signs that your arteries are functioning more efficiently, quietly thanking you for this small but powerful habit. Transforming oatmeal into a heart-healing ritual. Now imagine all these ingredients working together in harmony. Flax seeds sweep away the cholesterol your body doesn't need. Cinnamon protects your arteries from sugar damage and inflammation. Blueberries repair and rejuvenate blood vessel walls. Walnuts restore flexibility and strengthen circulation from head to toe. Together, they form a morning ritual that does far more than fill your stomach. It rebuilds your cardiovascular foundation day by day. Now imagine this simple bowl of oatmeal sitting in front of you, warm, comforting, familiar, yet transformed into something far greater than just a breakfast. With every spoonful, you're not only feeding your body, you're quietly repairing years of hidden wear and tear within your arteries. Think about it. Every grain of oat delivering gentle fiber that traps cholesterol, each tiny flax seed sweeping through your system, carrying away what doesn't belong, the sweet warmth of cinnamon balancing your blood sugar and calming inflammation, those vibrant blueberries flooding your blood vessels with antioxidants that repair microscopic damage, and the rich crunch of walnuts sending signals to your arteries to relax and open, allowing life-giving blood to flow freely once again. It's more than food, it's medicine nature designed, working silently and steadily in your favor. And when you choose to start your morning this way, you're making a quiet but powerful statement. You're saying, I'm still in charge of my health, my age is not my limit, because it's never too late to begin restoring what time has taken. Your arteries have an incredible ability to heal and regenerate when they're given the right support. Studies show that even in older adults, consistent dietary changes, as simple ones like this, can improve circulation, lower blood pressure, and even reduce plaque buildup within weeks. So don't underestimate the power of small, consistent choices. What you put in your bowl each morning can shape how you feel for the rest of the day. Clearer thinking, more energy, and a calmer, steadier heartbeat. Over time, those mornings begin to add up. You'll find your steps feel lighter, your hands and feet warmer, your breathing deeper, and your mind more focused. Those are signs of renewal, proof that your arteries are thanking you for this daily kindness. This isn't about restriction or perfection. It's about nourishment, love, and care for the body that has carried you through every chapter of your life. And now it deserves gentle protection in return. So tomorrow morning, when you stir your oatmeal, take a moment to pause, smell the cinnamon, watch the blueberries melt into a deep violet hue, hear the soft crunch of walnuts as you mix them in. Know that this simple act is strengthening your heart, feeding your brain, and renewing your circulation one quiet morning at a time. You're not just eating breakfast, you're building a stronger tomorrow. And if you stay consistent, the changes will come. Better energy, better blood pressure, a calmer heartbeat, and most importantly, the confidence of knowing you're actively protecting your heart with every single bite. So take this small step today. Keep doing it every morning, because healing doesn't happen overnight. It happens in moments like this, quietly, consistently, and beautifully. If this video inspired you, give it a like and share it with someone you love, a friend, a parent, or anyone who deserves to feel vibrant and strong again. You never know whose heart you might help heal, because sometimes the most powerful medicine isn't found in a pill. It's found in your kitchen, in a bowl of warm oats, and in the care you give yourself every single morning. Start tomorrow, start gently, and let your breakfast become your daily act of healing for your arteries, your heart, and your life after 60.